What up, people? It's your boy, Decipher, and I'm back with another video. Now, today, I had to get myself a tea, yes, in my Chewy mug, and some water in my Avengers glass. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I saying all this? Because it's very early for me. Now, I'm not sure where any of yous are, but I live in Dublin and it's 10:30 in the morning. That's early for me lately because we're in lockdown. But today is a very special day. Today, I'm going to be reacting to KSI. The guy, KSI, is probably one of my favorite YouTube rappers right now. He's one of my favorite rappers right now in general. If you saw my 2020 wrapped up, you'd be just saying, I was like, geez, this dude is obsessed. But yeah, so he's with another banger with Anne Marie and Digital Farm Animals. Now, obviously, his last tune that he had with Jesus, I'm drawing a blank. I'm tired. I'm sorry. But with Craig David and Digital Farm Animals again, called Really Love. Now that got him to number 2. Oh, and congrats to KSI for going platinum. but but yeah, this was uploaded a half an hour ago, and he's already gotten over 300k views. But yeah, before I keep rambling, I'm a huge fan of KSI, but let's get into this one.
Yeah, the one that used to be your grand.
Yeah.
Well, I may have accidentally worn it on the dance floor.
I can't help that there's ads.
One, and he spun me around and it's knocked in there. Just as slow. Don't know. Oh, come on, you have to tell me anything. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently.
This already slaps! And JJ hasn't even come in. Oh shit, this is gonna be sick. Digital Farm Animals are too good. And I didn't say to you guys, but the song is called Don't Play, but you probably know at this point. I'm just so gassed, I can't even think. Let me reload. JJ, what are you doing to us? Oh shit! Oh, fam! Oh, I love this dude. Reload this, bro. Reload. And the way he sounds is just different. Yes! Oh, jeez, I'm getting so gassed right now. That first verse. Oh, JJ, what are you doing to us? Stop dropping so many bangers. Oh, shit. He's too good. I love this dude. Oh, I'm getting hot. Differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games, don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play. All the things you're doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing. I didn't know that Anne Marie could do a bit of rap. Oi! Differently. When the hit is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Differently. When the hit is deep, don't play. Don't play. JJ! Yes! My lord. Oh. What do I say? You know my reaction. Like, Jesus. Oh. I love that dude so much. Alright. Digital Farm Animals slapped with the beat, and Anne Marie very good with the hook, and when she did her verse and she switched up to a little bit of rapping, I like that. There wasn't mad wordplay with JJ in the verses, but it was a vibe, much like Really Love, but I don't know. Like, it's another club banger, to be honest. But who doesn't love a club banger? Because for me, that slaps. That's like something that that I could just be playing on repeat, and you'd definitely hear it in like a nightclub. Obviously, you won't hear it. You won't be in a nightclub. At least I won't be. But yeah, what a tune! JJ, Anne Marie, DFA. I loved it. Alright, so if you did enjoy that video, leave a like and share with your friends, your whatever, and subscribe as well. I can't think. I'm up too early. You notice the grind, but yeah. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing a triple upload today, because I know my boy Dwayne is dropping at 7 tonight, and next reaction that I'm doing is Gets and Stormzy. So, yeah. Catch you next video, guys. Peace.